Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium, and today I'm going to show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. And restart could be useful if something on your watch is not working properly. Maybe it's a bit sluggish, unresponsive, something is not launching or something like that. You could try to restart your watch and hopefully it will solve your problem. So let's get started. To restart our watch, we need to press and hold the lower button. Keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. And once the menu appears, you will see two options. We have power off and restart. We want to restart our watch, so let's tap on restart button. Press the upper button to confirm and wait until the watch is done rebooting, which will take a few seconds. And we're back in a system, and that's how you restart your watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.